Welcome to the Power BI Power Admin Dashboard. This dashboard provides a comprehensive overview of your Power BI tenant, allowing you to see a summary of your tenant's activities, the most active users and reports, and the workspaces across your tenant. One of the key features of the Power BI Power Admin Dashboard is the built-in custom slicer pane, which allows you to filter and drill down into the data to see more detailed information. You can use this slicer pane to select specific workspaces or users, and then drill through to see all of their actions across the tenant. In the Workspaces section, you can see the tenant workspace statistics, including capacity and type breakdowns. This can help you understand how your workspaces are being used, and if you have sufficient capacity to meet your needs. The Reports section provides in-depth statistics on your tenant's reports, including where they are located and how many active users and views they have. You can also search for a specific report using the search bar. The Users section allows you to search for specific users and drill through to see all of their actions across the tenant. You can see a user's views and total activities per day, helping you understand how they are using Power BI. The Content Creators section focuses on the creators and admins of your Power BI tenant, allowing you to see their edits, creations, and deletions across the tenant. The Refresh overview shows you the scheduled refreshes of Power BI datasets, including any failed refreshes and datasets that took longer than 30 minutes to refresh. This can help you schedule new refreshes based on the current capacity of your tenant and understand any issues with refresh failures. Finally, the Redundancy Report view is designed to help administrators with tenant cleanup, showing inactive workspaces, datasets, and reports. It includes definitions and tooltips to help you understand these items and make informed decisions about what to keep and what to delete. Overall, the Power BI Power Admin Dashboard is a powerful tool for understanding and managing your Power BI tenant, providing detailed insights and the ability to drill down into the data to see more specific information.